honestly, I'm being very clear, I have not even shared 1% of my journey. Not even 1% what you have seen out there. I'll keep it very short and crisp. I have probably shared some videos which I felt that it is very, very important for me to put it out there, because right now, while as we speak or as I'm thinking about it, there are a million people who are going through this. Putting out a video about my hair or everything and giving out little tiny detail about my health, it was intentional because it has a backstory. It was hard. It was very hard to put it. I have watched it a million times and decided, should I not? Because every time I looked at that video, I only used to cry. It was so heartbreaking. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि कहीं मैं गलती तो नहीं कर रही हूँ. But then I was like, no, let me just put it out. And it actually turned out to be very helpful for people, wherein women reached out my hairstylist and wanted to get same kind of hair made for them, hair extensions made for them. So I felt nice, but I'm definitely going to share my entire journey one day. I will. I want to put it out.
Yeah.
I will. It was very, very painful experience I had in a hospital. I realized very initial days of my diagnosis and I realized, what am I doing? हम तो ऐसे behave करते हैं कि पता नहीं क्या ही हो गया है. Look at these people. Bloody, they take their chemos and then they sleep on the footpaths. No one should face this.
Yeah, no one, of course.
Oof, no one. I mean, literally कोई भी नहीं. Not even. मतलब मैं दुश्मन को भी ये कभी नहीं wish करूँ. Especially the chemo part.
What better way to start the New Year's with other than having a heart-to-heart conversation with the Queen, who's a queen both on and off screen, welcoming Hina Khan only on the Free Press Journal. Hi Hina, how have you been?
I have been good. Thank you so much for having me.
You're most welcome. It's so good to see you.
It is so good to be here, you know, interacting with the media. I kind of missed it.
Yeah, but you know, I think we've all bonded with you on a different level in the past 1-2 years, because each time we meet you, you are doing some fab work. When I watched the trailer, I was like, wow, you know, क्योंकि एक ऐसे perception पहले था कि women can't do this and that, and you all have come and broken it. How does it feel? Because एक new responsibility भी लगती है on shoulders.
Yes, kind of you can say that एक नई responsibility है जहाँ पर आप सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर नहीं, you're playing 2 different shades, right? उसी कैरेक्टर के 2 different shades हैं, where she's almost it's like playing 2 different personalities. तो वो थोड़ा सा pressure था, but nonetheless I'm glad you know, the entire team, the actors around me, the director, everyone just really helped me to, you know, pull this. अब let's see, बाकी तो अब audiences decide करेंगे कि उन्हें कैसा लगा, but trailer has been received well, and people have really liked the trailer. I hope, fingers crossed, they love the show too.
How was it doing all that action that we see? अभी तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर और टीजर में दिखा है. I'm sure शो में और ज़्यादा होगा. But how was it for you to pull that off?
Action sequence, I always say, you know, it's a visual treat when you watch people doing a lot of action on screen. But action shoot karna is not that comfortable. It's not that easy. It's really hard, and I have not even done 1% of what action people do nowadays on screen, be it different businesses, I mean Bollywood, Hollywood. This was a simple, this is a very simple story of a woman who is an ordinary woman and does extraordinary things to meet the ends.
Yeah. You know, very rarely does it happen कि कोई शो या फिल्म का ट्रेलर आए और देखने से पहले लोग इतना ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करें, love the appreciation there, because I was going through the YouTube comments and everyone had just good things to say about everyone in the show. How does it feel to you, because this is the different kind of bond that you have created with your fans?
I think everything has a timing. God has planned everything. We were supposed to release this show in October, but it didn't happen because of my health and everything, and then it got pushed, and now we're releasing it in January. And इस दौरान, इन 6-7 महीनों की जर्नी के दौरान, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई. People really got connected. Not just people who know me, people who don't know me also got really connected to me. So it's like they liked the fierce side of me, and they really appreciated the strength I was showing. So now the character is also such. So it's like everything fell into place.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It wasn't planned,
Yeah.
but it just fell into place, and people are like, oh my god, this is Hina, and she's so fierce, and this is how she is strong, and all of that.
But when I saw the character, आप मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आपकी बहुत झलक है उनमें, because you know she's strong headed, she will get what she wants.
Yeah.
She is someone जिनका vision clear है. This
Yeah.
is what I feel about you in real life.
Yeah.
How much could you relate to your character?
I could, which is why I chose to do it. You know, when a story is narrated to you, a character is narrated to you, you keep that thing in mind कि क्या मैं ये कर सकती हूँ? Of course, as an artist, you should be able to pull off anything. But जब आपको कोई ऐसी चीज़ play करने को मिले जो आप रियल लाइफ में भी उससे रेजोनेट करते हैं, यू नो, रिलेट करते हैं, तो इट बिकम्स अ लिटिल ईजियर. So that ways, yes, when this character was narrated, I was happy that I think I can pull it off.
Yeah. You know, I remember last time we met during Namakool, and you were promoting, and that time also we couldn't speak one-on-one, कुछ हो गया था तब, but I remember you were talking to some other journalist, and the way you were just explaining the mantra of your life, which is like you are in your Zen mode, and you don't really get bothered about what other people have to say. That just taught me so much about life, you know, because when we're young, we're on social media reading all of that. Now you've reached a stage where people relate to you even more, and the respect has gone way more up because you have shared your journey very honestly and not hidden anything. Does that also, you know, motivate you to do better in life?
Yes, it has. It was never planned.
Yeah, of course.
Honestly, I'm being very clear, I have not even shared 1% of my journey. Not even 1% what you have seen out there. I'll keep it very short and crisp. I have probably shared some videos which I felt that it is very, very important for me to put it out there, because right now, while as we speak, or as I'm thinking about it, there are a million people who are going through this, dealing with this, right? Women, men, especially women. So, you know, putting out a video about my hair or everything, and giving out little tiny detail about my health, it was intentional, because it has a backstory. अब मैं बैक स्टोरी पे जाऊंगी तो बहुत वक्त निकल जाएगा, but every video, whatever 1% journey I've shared, it has a reason. That there is a backstory. I got the thought from somewhere, जो मैंने experience किया, and I decided, no, Hina, I think you should put it out. I think it's needed.
Yeah.
I think women need that strength.
Correct. That is so
And
true.
that's when I put that video out, and I decided it was hard. It was very hard to put it. I have watched it a million times and decided, should I not? Because every time I looked at that video, I only used to cry.
I know.
It was so heartbreaking. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि कहीं मैं गलती तो नहीं कर रही हूँ, but then I was like, no, let me just put it out, and it actually turned out to be very helpful for people, wherein women reached out my hairstylist and wanted to get same kind of hair made for them, hair extensions made for them. So I felt nice, but I'm definitely going to share my entire journey one day. I will. I want to put it out.
Yeah.
I will.
No, because you have been an inspiration to many, and someone who would be at your position, उनके लिए बहुत easy होता to take a break and just you know, go away and not face anything. But you, like a boss lady, you've been there. We've seen
Again, there is
you.
a story behind that.
Yeah.
I mean,
did it come from within to do
no,
this?
it's not. All of this did not come from within. I'm telling you my experiences when I met people. It was an experience it was very, very painful experience I had in a hospital, Tata Memorial Hospital. I spent a day there, and I realized very initial days of my diagnosis, and I realized, what am I doing? हम तो ऐसे behave करते हैं कि पता नहीं क्या ही हो गया है. Look at these people. bloody they take their chemos and then they sleep on the footpaths the entire day and next day take the bus and go home and then अपने पूरे महीने का काम करते हैं, रोज जॉब पे जाते हैं, कुछ लोग खेती बाड़ी करते हैं, उसके बाद फिर 21 दिन बाद आते हैं, फिर कीमो लेते हैं, फिर फुटपाथ पे सोते हैं, फिर ट्रेन पकड़ के घर जाते हैं. what is this whole thing about कि अरे बाप रे क्या हो गया? I think I should normalize this. It's okay. I will do everything till my body allows, and I exactly did that. So I have a whole incident to share behind everything I've done. But जब बात करेंगे
Of course, when the time is right. And you know, people are now looking. I know someone closely who went through the same thing. You know, life को देखने का उनका तरीका change हो जाता है. And we were just having a discussion about you, and she's come out of it. So we were just being positive and happy about it. That you know, everyone who's facing it will come out of it.
First of all, no one should face this.
Yeah, no one, of course.
उफ, no one. I mean, literally कोई भी नहीं. Not even मतलब मैं दुश्मन को भी ये कभी नहीं wish करूँगी. Especially the chemo part. No.
But you know, they have a very new way, the way they look at life now. जैसे आपने explain किया कि हम बहुत बड़ा बना देते हैं, आप एक अलग way से बोल रहे हो, शायद मैं अभी relate नहीं कर पाऊँ आपसे. Is there a way now you have changed the way you look at life?
I don't know. मुझे अब सब ऐसा लगता है क्या है यार, क्या है, इतना क्या है? Everything. I have become very calm, very quiet and calm and. पहले भी I was patient, but now I am way more patient. And एक ठहराव आ गया है जिंदगी में, लाइफ में, थॉट प्रोसेस में कि हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. हर बात के लिए वैसा निकलता है, हाँ कोई बात नहीं, we'll figure it out.
No, that is true.
The journey teaches you this.
Of course, I'm sure. But now talking about Grih Lakshmi, do you feel कि this is a very good time also because लोग चाह रहे थे कि you know वो आपका कोई शो, कोई प्रोजेक्ट, कोई फिल्म देखे.
I know ये सब मैं बोल तो रही हूँ आपको कि सब ऊपर वाले ने प्लान किया हुआ है. ये नहीं हो पाया और अब हुआ when I have you know I'm on a road to recovery and एक ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जहाँ already Lakshmi and Rani are so fierce and strong and now people relate to me you know strength wise and all of that. So I think the the timing and everything is perfect. ये सब planned है. Trust me, this is all planned.
I know. Are you also a firm believer of this one thing कि जो जब होना होता है वो तभी होता है.
Completely. You give your 100% and बाकी नसीब है.
Lastly, Hina, before we wrap this up, you know, you have been doing a lot of work. जहाँ पे हमको एज एन एक्टर आपकी वर्सेटैलिटी दिखी है. हियर ऑल्सो इवन दो इट्स वन कैरेक्टर एज यू मेंशन, वो दो अलग अलग जोन्स में है. यू नो वी सी दैट ट्रांजिशन इवन इन द ट्रेलर विच इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू शो बिकॉज 1-2 मिनट में आप कैसे ही दिखाओगे वो, बट दैट केम अक्रॉस.
That came across?
Yeah, that came across.
I'm very happy to
because
hear
when
this.
you say कि you know their background में होता है कि मैं नौकरानी नहीं रानी हूँ, that actually leaves an impact even though आप screen पे तब नहीं हो, it's in the background. Now what is that one thing or maybe multiple things that you want to explore acting wise?
I was just telling someone I want to play a spy.
Oh wow, you would be great at it.
Yeah, I know. I just know it. I just know it. I'll kill it.
Yeah, we hope to see you.
Yeah. Let's see, fingers crossed. Manifesting.
Yes, manifesting all the good things for you.
सबसे पहले manifesting good health.
Good health, for sure. 2025 is going to be. I was just telling Nayan, it's going to be.
Thank you.